A very good afternoon to everyone and a very warm welcome to all the respected invited guests for here today. Today we are honored to have an industrial talk featuring Farm Fresh Berhad, one of the Malaysia's leading homegrown dairy brands that has successfully grown from a local venture into a strong regional player in the FMCG industry. Farm Fresh is well known for its commitment to fresh, nutritious and also high quality dairy products, as well as its strong focus on their sustainability, innovation and also consumer trust. Before we move into the talk, I would like to introduce multiple higher authority management from Farm Fresh Berhad. So, first of all, we have the founder of Farm Fresh Berhad, Mr. Alex. Secondly, we have our marketing officer, Miss Aina. Then we have Mr. Daniel, our Operation and Innovation Officer of Farm Fresh Berhad. And also we have our investor of Farm Fresh Berhad, Mr. Praveen. And also research analyst, Mr. Vishnu from Farm Fresh Berhad. And also Strategic Officer, Miss Aina. And last but not least, we have our user representative from Farm Fresh Berhad, Miss Megla. I believe this session will be highly beneficial for all of us, especially in understanding how real-world business strategies are applied in a competitive industry. With further ado, it's my great pleasure to continue and begin. It's my great pleasure to begin today's session. Thank you. In my question with our first member of higher authority, who is the CEO, the founder of Farm Fresh Berhad, Mr. Alex. So here we go. So, after 20 years in the corporate world, what actually drove you to make such a bold switch to agriculture, and how you did the Farm Fresh eventually overcome the challenge of Malaysia in a tropical heat to become the market leader? How is it possible? Could you explain?
Thank you. Well, I actually spent 20 years in the corporate world, specifically in the packaging and printing industry. Even though I was successful, I feel dissatisfied with the fast-paced lifestyle. I wanted a more balanced and relaxing life, so I decided to switch to agriculture. However, it wasn't easy. Before dairy, I tried planting dragon fruit, rearing fish, and even farming goat. But then I quickly learned the harsh reality. It was not relaxing at all. It quite hard. But I saw a huge opportunity. I noticed that 95% of milk in Malaysia was reconstituted from powder, not fresh. So I started from fresh in Kota Tinggi. And my biggest challenge was the tropical heat. Important, hostile cow could cope with the weather. The turning point came when we acquired the Australian genetic firm to breed the Australian Friesian Shawivar. This breed is suited for our climate. With this solution and later investment from Keusahawanan National, we grew to become a Malaysia leading fresh milk producer. And that's how our company journey goes on.
And also our strategic officer of Farm Fresh Berhad, Miss Ainul. Miss Ainul, what are the vision, mission and also objective of Farm Fresh, and how does the company aim to achieve their growth? How's it?
Thank you, moderator, for your question. Hello, everyone. My name is Aina Wada. I am the strategic officer that representing the Farm Fresh, and today I will be presenting the company vision, mission, and objective. So the first step, we start with the vision. The vision of Farm Fresh is to become a trusted and leading a fresh milk brand in Malaysia, known for its commitment to quality and freshness and sustainability. So our next is the mission. The mission of Farm Fresh. The mission of Farm Fresh is to provide a fresh, natural dairy products at affordable price. And the company focus on producing milk locally while ensuring the consumer receive products without unnecessary additive. So in terms of objective is Farm Fresh aims to offer fresh milk as a healthy alternative to powdered milk, and the build long term is consumer trust through consistent quality and support the growth of the local dairy industry in a sustainable manner. And thank you everyone. That's all for me, the strategic officer.
And next, I'm going to move to our Operation and Innovation Officer, Mr. Daniel. So here, I have two questions for you. Here is it. Firstly, how does FarmFresh low-risk approach and use agent-based digital marketing to help the company grow sustainably in the market? So, what is your perspective?
Thank you once again, moderator. My name is Muhammad Daniel Hakim, and I serve as both Operation Officer and Innovation Office. For our market entry strategy, FarmFresh use a low-risk approach. They start small by focusing on their main strength, which is producing fresh and high-quality milk. The company did not begin as a big business. Instead, they learned the dairy farming process step by step before expanding. This helped them reduce risk and build strong foundation before entering a big market. In terms of digital strategy, FarmFresh did not spend a large budget on advertisement. Instead, they used agents, especially from the B40 group and housewife. B40 group and the housewife is to promote their products. This agent helps sell the product from house to house. This strategy is more cost effective and help the company grow through the community support. It also helped FarmFresh move towards becoming a global brand.
And here I'm going to drop my second question. So here you go. How did FarmFresh recognize opportunities in distribution, logistics, and also in digital platform? How did these factors contribute to the growth, to the company growth in the FMCG industry? What do you think about it?
Thank you, moderator. My name is Muhammad Daniel Hakim bin Safaran. I serve as Innovation Office. The FarmFresh recognize opportunities by paying close attention, like how to market and consumer behavior changing. The company realized that demand is highly concentrated in urban areas like Klang Valley, so they decided to focus more in modern trade and efficient distribution. Well, from the view of digital platform, had a rise of online shopping, especially COVID-19, show the importance of digital platform. By developing home dealer system, quickly made us to move fast into V2 sales. FarmFresh was able to reach more customers and support its rapid growth in the FMCG dairy market, as you guys know. Thank you.
And then I'm going to move with our second question with our Marketing Officer, Miss Aina. Here's my question. Miss Aina, can you tell me the interesting fact of this company in business?
Thank you, moderator, for the interest question. How this business generate income? At the venture creation stage, FarmFresh business model strategy is built for long-term sustainability, not immediate profit. Value proposition is to offer high-quality fresh milk, not powder or import milk, emphasizing freshness, local quality, and nutrition. We see it on products such as fresh milk, low fat, and so on. This emphasizing can build differentiated value product. It is made hard competitors to imitate. Key activities are cow farming, milk processing, and product distribution. FarmFresh chose vertical integration as the main strategy of the business model. This strategy allows full control over quality, cost, and supplier. It is important for new venture to build market trust. Key resources available are dairy farms, processing technologies, and skilled workforce. These key resources are strategic resources that are difficult for competitors to imitate. Customer segment is consumer who care about healthy and quality. It's also suitable for all age. Malaysia domestic market is business model focused on niche market first before expanding widely. In short, at the venture creation stage, Farm Fresh builds a business model that focuses on quality control, product differentiations, and long-term sustainability. Thank you.
Oh, that's right. It sounds very interesting. So here is to build a very strong foundation to requires various ways to make the farm fresh remains effectively. Here I got it. Thank you, Miss Aina. And also, Mr. Vishnu, our research analyst of Farm Fresh Berhad. Here we go. What are the main challenges identified in your analysis in Farm Fresh Berhad?
Thank you for the question, moderator. From my side, I think the main challenges identified include rising raw material and feed costs, which can affect profit margins, as well as exposure to supply chain disruptions. Additionally, farm fresh operators in a high competitive market requiring continuous innovation and effective cost management. Regulatory requirements and sustainability expectations also present ongoing challenges that the company must carefully manage to maintain long-term growth. That's all from my side. Thank you.
And also, we have our investor of Farm Fresh Berhad, Mr. Praveen. Mr. Praveen, I would like to ask you that what were the key factors that convinced you to invest in the Farm Fresh Berhad? Do you think it makes you profitably stable in growth as an investor?
Thank you, moderator. In my opinion, I think the key factors were Farm Fresh strong brand positioning, consistent final performance, and a clear long-term growth strategy. We were also impressed by the company vertically integrated business model, which give better cost control quality assurance. In addition, Farm Fresh commitment to sustainability and strong management team give us confidence in its long-term potential. Thank you.
Ooh, well, you make the best investors in the world. So yeah, and all the best for your further projects. And thank you. And yes, and then we have our user representative, who's Miss Megala. And Miss Megala, I would like to ask you that as a consumer representative, what is your opinion about Farm Fresh Berhad?
Thank you, moderator. As a consumer, my overall opinion about Farm Fresh is very positive because their products are fresh, high in quality, and made from fresh milk instead of powder milk. This makes me trust the brand more and feel confident when choosing their daily products. Farm Fresh also maintains consistent quality and support local farmers, which gives the brand a strong and responsible image among consumers. In conclusion, as a consumer, I see a strong and positive future for Farm Fresh. With their continuous focus on quality, innovation, and sustainability, I believe Farm Fresh will continue to gain consumer trust and expect further in the market while remaining a reliable local brand. That's all from me. Thank you.
As a moderator here, I'm so truly grateful to have an interview and a best session, and I've learned some invaluable details that I could see from that, and I'm truly grateful. Thank you, team. Thank you once again for joining us, and it was very honorable to have you guys team here. And as a moderator speakers today, I'm here. I'm so grateful to get an interview from you guys, and thank you so much. Thank you once again. Truly appreciate your time and effort. Thank you.